Happy Dragon Boat Festival. Today, I want to illustrate a simple way to make a rice dumpling shape fragrant sachet, 粽子香包. First, we need to get some material. First, you cut the fabric into a rectangular shape. It's about 4.5 inches in length and 2 inches in width. Then you flip over inside out, and you use the thread and needle and sew the side. Once you've done that, make a knot and cut the thread off and flip over. Then you can start to fill in the cotton ball with some herb or perfume. Once you did that, and close the opening. But you close the opening with a different angle, so they make the rice dumpling shape. It looks like that. Look at the picture on the right, bottom right, and then use the pin to stabilize before you sew it. Then you use the needle and thread and close the opening. And once you've done that, you cut off the left of the thread. Then it looks like a rice dumpling, a very traditional kind. Then you pick up the piece of the yarn and wrap it over and make a knot. And after you make the knot, you can start to put in some beads, and you can do 1, 2, or 3. Just remember, after every bead, make a knot so the beads won't go anywhere. It will stay there. Once you have done one side of the bead, and flip over and pick out another yarn and thread it through, and like a picture you see, and make another knot, and you start to make decoration of beads. You can put a 1, 2, or 3. Now you have the leftover yarn at that side. Fold it over and make a knot and cut off all the leftover yarn, and at the end bottom part, use the scissors, snip it, and then it looked like a Chinese sweets decoration.